By using the rideshare, it was very convenient, and I go actually with my colleagues at work. It's fun every day that you get to ride with people that and it's hassle-free. It's easy. You can book in the app or you can just message the Facebook page.
Ever since na-discover yung rideshare, hindi na talaga ako sumakay sa iba. Doon na lang talaga, bubok na lang talaga ako parate. Convenient kasi talaga. So, nag-book ako ng rideshare. Tapos, nag-respond siya sa akin na, "Ma'am, you can use the app."
I recommend other residents to avail of the ride-sharing services of Prisma residents. It will make your travel easier, especially if you are regularly using transportation for work, and it saves you on fuel expenses and parking expenses.